How to plan a year's worth of content in one day. Welcome, content creators and business builders. Imagine starting the new year with every week's content already planned out, removing the stress of scrambling for ideas. Today, I'm sharing a step-by-step strategy to map out a year's worth of content in just one day. Whether you're a YouTuber, blogger, podcaster, or any kind of online creator, this approach will help you create consistent, high-quality content that fuels your business success. Let's dive in. 1. Why planning content matters. Consistency is key for algorithms, audience trust, and long-term business growth. By having a plan, you'll free up mental energy, allowing you to focus on creating better content and improving your business. 2. Step 1. Define your content buckets. Identify 4 to 5 core categories that cover your niche. For example, a fitness coach might use categories like weight loss, nutrition, workout routines, and recovery. For an entrepreneur-focused channel, categories could include start your business, grow your income, work-life balance, and success mindsets. These buckets provide structure and ensure you address all aspects of your audience's needs. 3. Step 2. Ask your audience. Engage your audience via social media or email to find out their biggest challenges and goals. Use their feedback to shape your content ideas, ensuring you address real problems. 4. Step 3. Plan your content. Book a night away. A hotel room works wonders, or dedicate uninterrupted time in a fresh environment. Use your content buckets to brainstorm 10 to 12 topic ideas per category. Aim for 50 ideas total, covering an entire year of weekly content. 5. Tips for generating ideas. Reflect on frequently asked questions from your audience. Review past analytics to identify high-performing content. Remember, your job isn't to innovate, but to clarify and provide actionable insights. Tackle familiar topics with fresh perspectives or updated advice. 6. Step 4. Execute consistently. Use your pre-planned topics to create content without stress. Focus on delivering high value rather than scrambling for ideas. 7. The 2 key benefits of planning. For you, free up mental energy, reduce stress, and ensure consistency. For your audience, maintain balance and variety across all content categories.